The Donghua Jinlong Glycine factory is the internet's latest obsession.
Obviously the best industrial-grade glycine on the market, we all know that.
It all started when the factory's TikTok account started posting videos gassing up its products back in late 2023. And despite the happy music and sparkling effects on each clip, the advertisements come across as a bit of an industrialist hellscape, as dark grey buildings squat amongst towering pillars of unknown purpose. It almost seems like they're making a joke, what with also announcing all codes and regulations they adhere to like some sort of cyberpunk afterthought. Since then, the account has continued posting these propaganda clips, and people have turned them into memes that take the vibe of Donghua Jinlong's account and push it to its extreme logical limit. Some creators even use deepfakes to make memes out of celebrities, as if they were the brand spokesman for this random factory in China that manufactures glycine. Glycine, by the way, is an amino acid that can be synthesized by way of factory production, and is often sold as a mild food additive. In an online connected world, there's a greater understanding of where our foods come from, as well as the fact that some of these places are perhaps less than savory. After all, Chinese factories are not well known for their labor protection standards, and are probably listing all the codes they adhere to break this stereotype. But this is also about taking something completely banal, something completely unremarkable as a food additive, and worshipping it as if it were world-changing. You may be aware that glycine exists, but you will probably never be able to hold it in your hands and understand it as it sits in front of you, and thus we have this abstract concept of a food product from China becoming an idea made real in the form of memes. As China rises as a superpower, the memes referencing it only seem to increase, including bits from the past such as Chinese Eggman, Squareface Guy shouting, John Cena Bing Chilling, Social Credit, Lao Gan Ma, and of course now the Donghua Jinlong factory. The satirical take on what is ultimately a passionless endeavor for a food additive manages to poke fun at a world where even a Chinese factory has a TikTok brand account created with the sole purpose of humanizing itself. Brands use social media accounts to appear more personable, and more human than just a corporate faceless entity. However, in this situation, the bizarre videos from the Donghua Jinlong factory that extensively cover the process of glycine production feel more dystopian than personable, and there is absolutely a cynical humor in the celebration of that process. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.